Welcome to 1 Minute Crypto. I'm your host, Chronos, and today I want to talk about a cognitive bias that we all have, a way of thinking that's actually not logical, but it's so deeply ingrained in our brains that it's just absolutely impossible to fully overcome. It's called anchoring, and it's the tendency to take in the first piece of information and weight it too heavily compared to the other information that comes in. And this really comes into play in Bitcoin prices. The price of Bitcoin in the last couple months has been between $6,000 and $7,000, give or take. Now, does that seem like a high price to you or a low price to you? You might think that depends on your market temperament or what you think of Bitcoin, but largely it depends on when you first got into Bitcoin, because that price you first anchored to is going to determine how you feel about the current market. For example, if you got in 2018, the average price was 10,000, 12,000. It made it to 17,000 this year. And so this price being the lowest that it's been this year seems low to you. But if you got into Bitcoin earlier than that, say 2014, 2015, it's quite possible that you're anchored at a number below $1,000, because for most of that time period, Bitcoin did cost less than 1,000. So you can use this cognitive bias to your advantage when you're negotiating a price. You can throw out a number that's way out there. Maybe it seems ridiculous, but their brain subconsciously is comparing other numbers to it, and that makes it easier to get the price that you want. But when it comes to predicting the price of Bitcoin, I'm going to leave you with this. Predicting the future price of a market by looking at the past charts is like trying to drive a car by looking in the rearview mirror.